In this video, I'll guide you through how to contact Google Workspace Support using your admin console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to describe your issue so you can get help as quickly as possible. First, you'll need to access the Google Admin Console. This is the control center for your Google Workspace organization, and only administrators can use it. Open your web browser and go to admin.google.com. When the page loads, sign in with your administrator account. This is usually a special account for managing your organization, not a personal Gmail address. It might look something like an admin or support address at your company's domain. If you're not sure which account has admin rights, you may need to check with whoever set up Google Workspace for your organization. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main admin console dashboard. This is where you manage users, apps, security settings, and more. To contact Google Workspace Support, you won't be using any of the large icons in the center. Instead, look toward the top right corner of the screen. In that top right area, you should see a small question mark icon or a label that says Get Help. This is your entry point to the Help Assistant. Click on the question mark or the Get Help option. Don't worry if it looks slightly different depending on your version of the console. It will always be in that general top right corner. After you click it, a help panel or chat style window will open on the right side of your screen. This is the Help Assistant. Think of it as your starting point for all Google Workspace support. It can provide automated suggestions, help articles, and depending on your subscription and region, options to contact Google support directly. In the text box at the bottom of this Help Assistant window, you'll see a place where you can type. Here, you should briefly describe the problem you're having. Keep it short but clear. For example, if emails from your domain are not going out, you could write something like emails from our users are not sending, or users can't receive messages from external senders. If you're dealing with something like login problems, you might type users can't sign into their accounts, or I'm having trouble resetting a user's password. Once you've typed your description, press enter on your keyboard. The Help Assistant will read what you wrote and suggest relevant help articles or troubleshooting steps. Often, these suggestions will solve common problems right away, so it's worth scanning through them carefully. If the automated suggestions don't fully resolve your issue, look in the Help Assistant window for options like Contact Support, Still Need Help, or similar wording. Depending on your plan, you may be able to start a chat with a Google support specialist, request a callback, or open an email support case directly from there. To recap, you go to admin.google.com and sign in with your admin account, click the question mark or Get Help in the top right corner, then use the Help Assistant by typing a clear, brief description of your issue and pressing enter. From there, follow the prompts to either use the suggested solutions or reach a support agent if needed.